What you guys got another video. Before you install Windows 11 KB5077181, watch this video. Well, first off, Microsoft February 2026 Windows 11 update KB5077181 and KB5075941. These updates are adding security patches and bug fixes and a new secure boot rollout signals ahead of certificates expiration starting in June 2026. So should you update these updates? So a lot of people are a little bit dubious right now because of the failed updates that Microsoft have been pushing out recently. And I can honestly say that after I've updated the system on my test machine with these, it's been perfectly fine. It's not been no problems at all. And Microsoft have also noted that there has been no known issues with this update. So this update was released by Microsoft on February 10th, 2026. It's a cumulative security update for Windows 11 for both versions of Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2. The update KB5077181 will fix and patch a lot of issues with Windows 11. The three main fixes are for gaming and networking and secure boot, as you can see on the screen. You can read them at your own leisure, but they are to do with WPA3, personal Wi-Fi, and also to do with your secure boot certificates as well. And we also have one for gaming, which is addressing an issue that determines devices' eligibility for the full screen gaming experience. So they're your three main fixes that they've rolled out for 24H2 and 25H2. There's also been some extra features or enhancements for AI components, which are for image search, content extraction, semantic analysis, and also settings model as well. There's no known current issues for this version of Windows Update. And it tells you basically where to get the update and where to download it and install it. It will come down automatically onto your system, as you can see on this system. Now, if you're running Windows 11 23H2, then your version will be KB5075941. That will be the update that you'll receive if you're on 23H2. There's quite a few updates that this has fixed, i.e. secure boot, and there's also display and graphics, the file explorer, fonts and display, graphics, operating system security, known issue, and Windows security. So there's quite a few more fixes they rolled out here. And this should fix a lot of known issues with 23H2 that you might be having if you're running that Windows 11 version. So is it advisable to update this update? If you're getting major problems, then I would say yes. You can pause it for a week to see if there's any known issues being posted on Reddit or anywhere else. But Microsoft said there is no known issues with these updates. Now, they have said that before, but again, you can wait 48 hours or longer to see whether there's any sort of issues being posted anywhere. It will come down in your Windows Update panel. Now, some of the added features they've added to this is the cross-device resume, Windows Media Service improvements, some narrator stuff, and also you've got the smart app control behavior as well. You can actually turn off the smart app control behavior, whereas before, once you turn it off, you had to reinstall Windows. Now you can turn this feature off and turn it back on again without having to reinstall the operating system according to this update information page. Now, should you install this update right away, or should you just wait for a little while? Well, you could wait a week if you wanted to before you install the update. That way you would get to know whether there's an issue with it, because you would obviously see it being posted on YouTube videos, and you would see it posted on Reddit forums and places like that. But personally, I've had no issues with it on this test machine. I've been running it and it's not been an issue since Tuesday when it was installed. But with there being so many different computers and hardware configurations, it's hard to say whether there's going to be an issue with your computer compared to my computer. So the choice is yours, really. You either hold off for a week and then update it then, or you can jump straight in and install it and try to fix a lot of the known issues that Microsoft had on that system through the previous updates. But all in all, it does look like a step in the right direction for Microsoft, where they are actually fixing a lot of the known issues that they had from their previous update, which caused major problems for a lot of people. But Microsoft have started to up their game and started to get the system more stable again, which is a good step in the right direction. I think what a lot of people forget is Microsoft is a £1 trillion company, and they have the ability to quickly fix a lot of the known issues with Windows very, very quickly. And of course, Windows 11 has been plagued since 24H2 with a lot of issues. But if Microsoft have upped their game and started to fix a lot of these issues, you will probably see a lot of these problems go away, and you could end up seeing a much more stable operating system. That being said, Microsoft have said a lot of this stuff before, and it's just got even worse. So we'll just have to wait and see and give them the benefit of the doubt and see whether they're actually true to their word and they're going to actually make Windows 11 better than what it has been in the past by changing things in their department in the way they fix things. So it's not all doom and gloom today. It's actually good news on Microsoft's side of things, because I do believe this update will fix a lot of known issues that Microsoft had. So hopefully this is a step in the right direction. I would probably wait off about a week. You don't have to push it out straight away, and just keep an eye on the Reddit forums and also on YouTube. You will start seeing videos being released for the KB files that I've mentioned in this video. Remember, take everything with a pinch of salt, because there is channels out there that are just promoting hate towards Microsoft just for clicks and views. And obviously these channels don't have any interest in posting anything positive at all. It's just all for clicks and views. And you can tell that by their thumbnails, where they've either got the CEO of Microsoft, or they have Bill Gates on the front, and their titles will be something along the line as millions of people are leaving Windows for Linux, or Windows is dead, and things like this. It's all just clickbait rubbish to get you to click on it, and it's just hate towards Windows in general and Microsoft and also Bill Gates. This is what their game is, and these channels are just really sort of troll channels, really. And if you look at their content, there's not one positive video about Windows whatsoever. It's just all negative. And there's lots of these channels popping up all of a sudden, and it's just every video is about Microsoft is panicking, the collapse of Microsoft, Windows 11 is dead, millions are leaving Windows, all sorts of rubbish like this. And yes, Windows has got some problems, but not as bad as what some of these channels are making out. They're making out the collapse of Microsoft and, you know, the operating system is dead and done. Everyone's leaving it. It's just not the case. It's actually growing, and it's just pure lies. And of course, if you check my channel, you'll see that I make videos that are putting Windows in a negative light as well. And that's because there's been a major bug that has caused major problems. But I don't concentrate on just bashing Windows and Microsoft every day. And when Microsoft do something right, I do actually make videos on it, and I will show it. And that's what I tend to do. Anyway, I think that's about it. I'm starting to waffle, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, whether you rolled this update out already and whether you've had any issues. I'd be interested to read your comments. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to my YouTube members. I do appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the very next video. Bye for now.